On capital market analysis, the Nigerian exchange closed negative at the end of Thursday trading session, with the all-share index traded 0.12% lower to close at 55,956.59 index points as against 56,024.52 index points recorded in the previous day's trading session. The market capitalization of equities depreciated by 37 billion naira to close at 30.468 trillion naira, a 0.12% loss compared to the 30.505 trillion naira recorded in previous trading session. Now, investors lost about 38 billion naira at the close of trading session on Thursday. The market's positive return year to date printed low at 9.18%. Joining me now live in the studio as always is the Chief Research Officer at Invest Data Consulting Limited, Ambrose Omojan. Good morning. Thanks for having you join us on the program this morning.
Thank you, blessed. Yeah.
Just before we came on there, we're having this conversation. What's happening? Yesterday we saw a decline in trading activities at the Nigerian exchange, and you said it's profits taking. For the sake of our trading viewers and also our investors, can you take us through what the activities or the rationale that played out at the NGS yesterday?
For me, actually, it's expected that when the market is at this kind of 16 years high, you know, investors or traders like me want the market to pull back. And you know, fortunately for the market yesterday, it was a mid-session that we saw profit-taking activities. Also, as a result of high cap stocks, shedding their price. But if you look at the market breadth, it's still very, very strong positive market breadth. We had about 41, maybe 40 pair stocks on the winner side, just about 12 or 11 on the loser side. It says that we're still having buying position, while some smart investors are also taking what profit. But the good thing is that at this level of the market, we expect the market to pull back. Once they pull back, it not create opportunity for those like us. And I also have taken the profit rate to come back, because I tell you that this market is just a sell market. Because when market is rallying up, it's an opportunity for you to take profit. But if you fake to take that profit, the market itself will take the profit from you. Because it's created for you to act, and if you fail to act, and also take it back. But good thing is that once also break out this level, this is 16 years high, we'll now saw a good liquidity coming back to the market. And also for me, I believe that when we start seeing the Q2 earnings or the half-year earnings for 2023, that will impact the market position. And also, if the trend we saw in the first quarter of this year, it's been repeated in that Q2, that will see that market will definitely move above this level of 56,000 mark. For me, there's no cause for alarm for any investor, but let your investment go guide you. That's why, as a trader or investor, before you enter the market, have a plan and also trade your plan. Most people in the market just following background up and down. But if you have a plan, you know your entering strategy and your exit strategy. Even when the market is going up, you are not even though it's coming down, because you know the plan you are trading. And that's why also for you to also manage your your capital very simple or very easily, that plan will help you. But now that the equity market is becoming for me interesting, like I was telling my colleague this morning that I don't look at through our past two master class we have had this year. We said that even at the first one, investor return has doubled what inflation is. That means you are earning more than average of 50% and above for for second quarter 75%. That means if you are in this position, no matter what's called inflation in Nigeria, even with the first class we are saying that inflation will go up, you already have double the market the inflation. That means you are a good trader. For me, this is why investors should let them go for community where there is where they share knowledge and also can pick right stuff for them, because I believe that this time in Nigeria, sitting on one place to make money will be very difficult. That means you have to have multiple sources of income. For that, send your money on Errand so that you can make money from the capital market.
I love that word, send your money on an errand. Now, for the sake of our viewers now, how do they take advantage of some of the profit taking in the NGS at the moment? Because you said that you've been looking forward to the NGS being on the red. You said that. So just break it down for the sake of our viewers out there, how they can take advantage and what this means to trading activities at the market.
So for me, it does mean that as a trader, you enter the stock, at a lower price. Now that has gone up, you don't need to wait for it to go up, because the day you enter the stock, you have set a target for yourself. That's why I say you have a plan. Okay, I'm entering to make 20%. Once it's that 20%, you don't need to wait. But some people, once it's that 20%, oh, you still make another 20%. The same market that damage will also wipe that 20%. That means you must trade your plan. That's what I mean, that this pullback now generally will give the market, not only you trading, the market to gather more strength. so that when it bounce back, that state it get to at that resistance level like pullback, you now break out. When it break out, that's a new rally that I've seen. Then investor can start jumping into the market because that confirm a new trend. For me, on the long, what we call in technical analysis, a big trend, the market is still very, very strong. But on a short term, like daily time frame, weekly time frame, we're seeing sign of pullback already in the market. For me, investors should not worry. Let them just, take advantage that when they come back down in Bible, those that are here to take profit, I'm still laughing at them because that's the market that give you that profit more likely to give. Because when they pull back, you'll be surprised.
Okay.
Because nobody has 100% control of the market.
All right, great. I like that. Now, I want to ask you one question as we wrap up now. Today's Friday.
Yeah.
We're going to be seeing the ending of trading activities at the NGX. First off, what is your projection? Then secondly, how is the market reacting to external shock that is coming from the World Bank report, inflation, fresh subsidy? I know you did make mention of that, but all of this put together, as the market reacting to it, with your projection for today? For
me, because we have seen some stuff, especially in the oil sector, rallying for almost more than 5 trading days. I expect that taking profit in that stock will pull the market down today. And also, if any of the also highly priced stock also suffer losses today, market will also likely to close in red. And don't forget that in the history of Nigeria market, Friday is a sell market. And now that probably that market to close is very hard to close in red. But for the second question, in any uncertain environment, there's always opportunity. Okay. Don't be carried away with a projection from the World Bank, the removal of subsidy. And I tell you, in all this, there are some companies that will benefit from removal of subsidy. There are some that are going to benefit, like even when inflation, when the GDP is coming down, there are some countries that are going to contribute to our GDP. That means for an investor, what is that? When you see all this kind of thing, don't panic with people are panicking. You sit down your own, look at where is why I said earlier that you must be, what we call investors or traders community, where they discuss all impact of all this, so that if you don't understand, as they discuss, you also get knowledge to do that. Knowledge is power. Once you know that, for me, I call it also sectoral rotation. If you see that this sector you are that government policies are affecting it negatively, you move to another sector where government policy is going to affect positively. Also, when you see that people are not having money to buy something, what I did, it's essential goods to buy. You move to that. That means as an investor or trader, you don't need to start to the market because the people are coming for economy. There's always opportunity. Only that you don't trade often. When you see opportunity, you jump. When there's an opportunity, you start at the fence and watch and jump when there's another opportunity. There's no cost for laugh. I tell you that a market has phases. Almost 4 phase market have the accumulation phase, the markup phase, distribution phase, and also distribution phase. If you know all these phases and know where the stock is or the market at that time, you guide you to make informed decision.
Ambrose Omodio, as usual, giving us in-depth analysis to capital markets, tradings, activities at the NGS. With all that you said, I need to join the investors community because I need to start trading and I need to start investing because my wife is telling me that we need to get more streams of income.
Exactly.
Because the penny I'm giving her is not bringing anything to the kitchen.
You need to make more after I can give more.
Exactly, that's the one. Ambrose Omodio, many thanks for being a part of the show this morning. Thank you for being a part of the show.
Cheers.
Now, still to come on the program, global GDP growth in 2023 is projected to be at 2.7%, the lowest annual rate since the global financial crisis. What is the exception with the exception of the 2020 pandemic period? What are the fundamentals responsible for the decline, and what is the impact of this on the Nigerian economy? Details in a moment. Stay with us.